just came up the road, guys, and look at this accident. Holy, there's nothing left of the car. The car is missing. Half the car is gone. Guys, we're on our way to Ocho Rios right now. Look at this. The taxi is missing. The whole entire half of the taxi is gone. Damn! It's a Benz and a taxi, right?
Yeah.
An AD wagon.
Yeah.
Look at the AD wagon.
Look at the AD wagon.
Everybody in that dead, you know? Look, there's somebody underneath the blue right there.
Yeah, there's somebody on the dead.
Oh my God, yo. Cause we're on the trip same way, so we just make a quick pit stop and we're gonna get out the car real quick, guys, and give you guys a quick look around. Alright, so stay tuned. Stopped at Rio Bueno, and that's what Rio Bueno Bay looks like. That's the Tankwell Pier right there, and you don't know, water looking flat this morning, guys. On our way to Ocho Rios. Team Chef Life JA is with me. We out and we on an epic event today. We're gonna deal with some business first. By the highway, and it says this highway was opened by Her Gracious Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on November 25th, 1953, erected by the citizen of St. Anne's and appreciated in our honor. So check this out, guys. Another historic site. We just crossed the St. Anne's border from Trelawney. Yeah, we're walking down here real quick. Like I said, guys, we're just passing through and checking this beach out. This little lookout. Look at this. Who was on the hill before? So we just stopped down here real quick. Just check out this little beach, this little gem, this little hidden lookout spot. Alright, I got my rod with me just in case. So I ain't got no cooler with me, but we're gonna try this anyway. And I know there's a barrel probably hanging out here someplace. What? Oh, I ain't no hitting this goddamn barrel, ain't got nowhere to put it. I hope it's just not big, because if it's big, it's going in the car. Watch this, guys. So watch me end up hitting the barracuda, freaking around here today. And this is just messing around, you know, guys. It's not intentional or something fun. Oh, damn it. Yeah. You want to see it? I won't be a hit. So.
Go on, man. Come in. One more time. Go down. Let's
go down. I'm going to go down on this flat. Try it right here one more time.
Yeah.
Get that lower out there. Let it drop a bit. Just not here.
One more, come in, Jerry. Go up the line.
I'm surprised, because normally in a situation like this, you'd have one hanging out around that big rock. But they like that camouflage, or that they like that ambush spot, the ambush things. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, if I had a top water lure, I'd probably get them. But this is the bottom swimmer.
Yeah, peeps, here, when I catch nothing right now, so we have to move on down your line.
We have some work to do, guys.
Get
We're actually
closer.
just idling right now. So stay tuned. Yeah, Team Chef Life, we just stop on Igo. Cause we're up on some work. You don't know, guys. Yeah. No jokes about it, guys. You don't know, so the fishing right off a good way anyway. Cause just in case we get some seafood, we can provide it to who gets, you know. Alright, guys, big up yourself. Here with Team Chef Life, still on our journey. We got about 4.5 kilometers left on this trip. And we're just rolling to Dunn's River Falls right now, approaching Dunn's River Falls and Dolphin Cove in St. Anne's. So stay tuned, guys. Epic adventure. We're just rolling and just heading to this gate, guys. So stay tuned. Outside. Guys, so we just arrived at Montego Bay. I mean, Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios Country Club. We just arrived at. Me and Team Chef Life look like a new housing school. This is awesome. Let's see what they got inside. gonna be a hell to get back up here, guys. This is the first I'm fishing this area. This is awesome. I'm out with Team Chef Life, guys, and we're in Ocho Rios, St. Anne's, and I'm exploring while Team Chef Life is doing his gig. So stay tuned. Let's see what we can pick up down here. This looks real nice. The one I just seen a big jack a while ago. But get that line out there, guys. There's a Mr. Barracuda around hanging out here. He's gonna want that. Alright. I got a tension from Longjaw from this. I'm just not feeling this lure right now, guys. I'm a twitch plastic person. I'm gonna get this lure off, get him back in the case, and get my hard plastic back on here. Let's get on this rock where we're gonna get some footing. We have this lure on, and we're gonna work the switch lure and find ourselves a barra this morning. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Let's get a St. Anne's barra this morning, guys. Get you guys out here. Nothing yet, guys. I'm surprised I haven't gotten a good hit on this yet. Try to keep the lure up as high as possible off these reefs and get the same effect. What you don't want them to do is jump too low. I could go around, but we're not going to do that. We'll go that way and try that direction. But let's go this way. A lot of seaweed and stuff that direction, guys. Barracudas like to ambush. Any opportunity they get to ambush, they ambush, guys. That's their style. Yeah, with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Jamaican lure fishing. That's weird. I can't believe in all this reef. Not one hit. Let's move around to the other side of the rock. There's like somebody come down here and fish. Here, guys, this looks good. Now, for chasing it a while ago, it broke off. Nothing, guys. Fudge bucket, man. Yeah, guys. So I've been throwing line around here for a good hour now. Nothing. Not a damn thing. Not even a bite. I got to chase a couple of chases, some long jaws, but nothing major. And I was thinking about hitting that point right there, but how the hell you get to it? That's the thing. And I don't want to go back up on the road and go around with my fishing rod. Unless there's a shortcut through here someplace to go around. I think there isn't. Oh, there is. But you have to be good as hell to go through that shit. Or go back up and around. 2 hours earlier, I didn't get anything here. I highly doubt it now. On this Missouri. We found this old water tank back here. All travel in. Wow, look at it. Oh shoot. This is crazy. Oh, this leads to a whole other different side. I wonder if you can fish back here. Well, guess what? We're going to explore this shit today. My car is off the road. We got this all this rock right here. Jamaican shore fishing exploration, guys. This is what we do when we go new places. We search and hunt. Could be a barrel or something. Yeah, barrel. Here. Crazy ass shiny boy. I don't think none will be in here anyways. If you get something at this time of day, you're lucky. Especially in Ocho Rios. Look at the distance that I worked, guys. Bird's eye view. Not even a chase. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. Even though we could have walked around there, but we're not going to trespass. That's a long drop. Nothing on the reef. Alright, let's climb back up, guys. The adventure is over. Now, sun's hot. Fish gone into hiding. We're not getting anything right now. And it makes no sense. It's now 11 o'clock. It's a long walk down here. Oh, water tank or something. Yeah guys, so we just found a new river spot. My battery's dying and I left the batteries in the car. So I'm trying to hurry up and get down here and get some footage of this river real quick. Because we were just passing by and spotted it and said let me stop and check out this spot. Oh my god guys, check this out. Awesome, awesome river spot. Look at this. Look at this guys. This is crazy. Woo. Yeah. Yeah guys, check it out. Nice little swim spot for river swimming and stuff, but you got to know how to swim when you jump in this deep spot right here guys, definitely. So yeah man, nice little ends out, you know, have little bathroom and thing and little stall is set up and thing. This is awesome guys, awesome. Look at this guys. Walking the trails guys. Look at this guy. Yeah. Exploring Jamaican beauties guys. That is it. Yeah guys. Natural beauty in Jamaica guys. Yeah man. Exploring the river. Cool breeze coming from the river. The canopy. Everything guys. It's just awesome. Look at this guys. That water pressure boy. Shore fishing. We just stopped real quick at a spot. Passing by on our way back from St. Dunn's. And I just pulled out my rod. Check these rocks real quick. I stopped here the other day, but the water was never this calm. So I want to give these rocks another shot and see if I can possibly pick up a barracuda in these shallows. And it looks promising. So let's see if we can grab something here real quick, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Pick up yourselves. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate you guys. This is it, guys. A whole bunch of reef structure right here, guys. Little barracuda here or something, guys. Let's see if we can pick one up. No cast in here. good depths of water here. Yeah, guys. Yeah. More lick over here, son? Yet? Come on, buddy. Why you guys give me such a hard time today? Just need one hit. Wow, guys, this is weird. Ready up now? Nothing, guys. Just try the spot. Like I said, just checking the spot out to see if we can pick something up. I guarantee that we're gonna get something, but try it anyways, guys. Lure is swimming good. The wind ain't that bad. All right, that's it. Let's go home. I don't know. My head is hurting me. I gotta get some food and some shit in my system. Let's go, Russ. I'm done. Hey guys, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. It's been a long day on this journey to Ocho Rios. Trying out the fishing, stopping at a few different spots and checking it out to see what we can pick up. I didn't pick up anything, but it was just the journey and the adventure in going out today and just getting out there. I was actually on some other work vibes and ended up throwing line and doing all kinds of other stuff. But thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. And this is just a bit of me sharing a bit of Jamaica and places that we visit throughout the whole island, guys. So stay tuned. Bless up yourself.